Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I'm getting ready to make a batch of cornbread similar to how my granny made it. I'm gonna take some self-rising cornmeal, and I have probably about a cup of the yellow left, and we'll just dump that in there. And then I'm gonna get another cup of, I have white self-rising cornmeal. That doesn't really matter. And I'm gonna start with 2 cups. Now, I've already put in this cast iron skillet some vegetable oil, or you can use, Crisco or vegetable oil. I'm gonna stick this in the oven. It's on 400. I wanna get this hot. Okay. To this, I'm gonna add some buttermilk and 1 egg. And I have, there it is. I'm gonna make it a bit. 1 egg. And some buttermilk. And you just kind of have to eyeball this till you get it to the consistency that you want it. If you don't have buttermilk, there's a way, you can look it up on the internet, to take regular milk and put vinegar in it, and it's the same, acts the same way. I'll show you the consistency of it. That is almost right. Okay, here's the consistency. You want it to be about that consistency. I hope that's self-explanatory. Anyway, when that skillet gets hot and that grease gets hot, I'm gonna pour this into it, put it back into the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes until it's all brown on top. And we're gonna have some cornbread with our pintos and cooked cabbage. My granny's cornbread, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I'll show some pictures of it when it's done and out of the oven. Thanks for tuning in.